Hello everyone and welcome back to Walks to Unwind, the Dallas Road Waterfront Walk. It's still windy, it's still exciting, and it's still the first day of spring. Filming this all on the same day, so let's get going. Okay, we're back to a set of stairs we can walk down. I've changed the setting on my camera. It didn't seem to be panning and moving properly, so hopefully this will be a little bit better for us. I'm going to talk a little less in this one. I'm just going to say that we're heading towards Ogden Point along the Dallas Road Waterfront Walk. In case you're new here, I have an entire series of videos walking from one end to the other. And one of the things that occurred to me was, you could also use these videos, I guess, other than for relaxing, like, de-stressing, decompressing, and also use them for meditation. And the other thing I realized is, perhaps people who live in other countries that might be interested in seeing some of Victoria. Maybe share these with them. Maybe they're thinking of visiting Victoria. I'll be doing a lot of different other videos as well. And so I guess the tourists might be interested as well. Maybe you have family that used to live here in Victoria. The wind is kind of throwing me off today. They're a bit discombobulated. Having a hard time keeping my hat on. And I said I was going to talk less, so I'm going to talk less. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. That's where we're headed. Ogden Point. Well, we're up to the 7.5-minute mark, approximately. We'll pick up, and depending on where the tide is, we'll be either out here on the rocks, or we'll be over there by the stairs. I thank you all for joining me today. Hope you had a relaxing walk. Sorry about the wind. That's all. Take care. Continue to relax and unwind. Decompress. Just let that stress go. Take care of one another. Bye.